welcome back. How you're doing? Hope you're all well. Today we've come into the tool shed because we actually want to make some adjustments to our storage boxes. These are not our closed boxes. These are the boxes that we made to obviously store food in and store like just bits and bobs, chairs and that sort of thing. But they're really heavy when they're actually inside the van and they're full. And we only have a handle hole at the front. And on our closed boxes we have holes at the side. So we're going to basically do exactly the same on this. Just get the hole saw out and put a couple of holes in. But as we're in here just doing something like this, we thought it'd be a good opportunity to actually speak to you about our travel plans and the fact that we've kind of changed them a little bit. So yeah, we've had to push our travel plans back a few days. Reason being, there's two reasons, but the first one is the fact that my phone's still not here. I'm sure you've all heard this in previous videos, me banging on about my phone, but it's really doing me head in. But it's not here today. I was hoping it might be here today, but it's not. And it's either going to be Monday, Tuesday, and the latest, from what they're saying anyway, the very latest it'll be here is Wednesday. And what they've done, they've sent me out a like-for-like phone, so at least I'm getting the phone back and it'll be fixed, or it should be fixed. But yeah, the latest that'll be is Wednesday. So that's the first thing that's kind of pushed our travel plans back. So that's them two holes cut out. The second reason we've had to delay our travel is because the laptop that Tabitha wants to use for doing the blog. Basically we have a little laptop, you've seen it probably in the previous video where I was trying to fix it, and I just couldn't fix it, to be fair. So what I've had to do instead is take it into town today and take it to a PC repair shop. What it needs is just needs like the Windows 10 putting on it again, but for some reason it just wouldn't work when I was trying to do it. So what we've done is just took it there. They're going to sort it out, but they're not in Sunday or Monday. But they are in Tuesday, so it should be done Tuesday. So we're either going to be leaving Tuesday, which is kind of the best case scenario, or Wednesday, which is kind of worst case scenario. So by Wednesday, these vlogs should change and we should be in the Peak District. That's the first place to head into. So fingers crossed, everything kind of now comes into place and all lines up and we can actually leave on Wednesday. So that's the plan we're going with. So we thought we'd just give you a quick update of obviously what's changed so you know what's coming in the future. All I've got to do now is just sand these down and then go and move them back into the van.
A mental patient, half insane. It's you.
So we finished these off now. Nice, quick and easy job. Just finished sanding them down. So this video is just going to be a quick and short one, just giving you a little update on obviously what has happened to our travel plans and what you can expect to see in the future. So we're going to end the video here. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we'll see you tomorrow.